Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be seeing how to make this cool animation using InVision Studio. So let's get started. I'll take the canvas as iPhone XS. I'll draw some text. I'll name them 1, 2, 3. Basically you want to add all the numbers from 1 to 0 and then align them vertically like this. I'll just reduce the line height to 1. Let the size be the same, let everything be the same. And now I'll just duplicate it by holding Alt and just dragging it. And now I'll be aligning the horizontal. So half the part is done. Now let's draw a rectangle around this 5. We'll get it down and select all the numbers including the rectangle and just mask it. This way the rest of the numbers will be hidden. And now let's reduce the opacity of the mask. Mask to 0. Now let's duplicate it by holding Alt, dragging it, and now you have to just select the number which you want to show by holding the down arrow. Let's stop over here. And now just click on artboard 1, press C. This will create a interaction. We'll keep it on timer, timeout, let it be 0.2 seconds, and we'll keep it motion. Duration will make it to 0.8. Let's save this and let's check out our animation. So you can see this cool animation using Figma. If you want, you can stop here, or else you can go forward and edit the timeline and delay each of the elements by a desired number. Now let's replay it. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.